Hello student, this is Suman Sharma from SVM Sinidi and this is the next video for class 6. In this video, we will study about the test of facts. For the test of facts, here are some steps which are used or involved while we are performing the test of facts. Now, for the test of facts, there are the steps which you can see in the images also. To understand it clearly, firstly, we need a small quantity of food item which is to be tested. Here is the food item. Now next, we need a butter paper or a brown paper. Now put this food item on the butter paper or the brown paper which you have taken. Now wrap this food item in the paper as you can see. Now observe the paper carefully. If there are oily patches like this, oily patches in the paper, then this indicates that the presence of fat in the food item which you have taken for the test. Now, in the next slide, there is a table, and in the table, the first column is about food item, and we have to fill all the columns that in which food the starch, protein or fat is present. As you can see, in the first point, the raw potato, only starch is present but protein and fat is absent. Similarly, in milk, starch is absent but protein and fat is present. And so on all the food items. Now, all of you have to learn and write this table in your copy. As you saw that according to this table, or as you have studied, that one or more nutrients present in our food item. But what do various nutrients do for our body? What do various nutrients do for our body? Here, the first nutrient is carbohydrate, and the carbohydrates provide energy to our body. And here are some sources of carbohydrates. Now, as you can see in the image that the different sources of carbohydrates are bajra, rice, wheat, sweet potato, sugarcane, papaya, melon, mango or maize. These are some sources of carbohydrates. The best source for carbohydrates, the whole grains, vegetables, fruits and beans, which promote good healthy by delivering the vitamins, minerals, fibers and a host of important nutrients. Means these are the some food items which gives us proper amount of carbohydrates to our body, which provide us energy. Now, in the next slide, here the topic is fat. Fat also gives us energy. In fact, fats give much more energy as compared to the same amount of carbohydrates. It means if we eat some food item which contains carbohydrate, and at the same amount if we eat some food item which contains fat, then the same amount of the food items, the fat gives us much more energy. As the fats and carbohydrates gives us energy, so these are called energy giving food. Here are some sources of fats. In figure A, you can see these are the plant sources of fats. Here, the sunflower oil, mustard oil, coconut oil, soybean oil, groundnuts, nuts and seeds. These are the example of plant sources of fats. Now, the animal sources of fats: meat, fish, eggs, ghee, butter, milk, etc. All are the animal sources of fats because we obtain all these from the animals. Now, in the next slide, the topic is protein. Here, protein are needed for the growth and repair of our body. As protein is needed for the growth, that's why it is called body building foods. And some sources for the protein are, here are some plant sources of the protein. In plant sources of the protein, it is peas, gram, moong, dal, beans, soybeans. These are the some plant sources of the food which contains protein. Now, there are some animal sources of protein also. In animal sources of protein, it contains meat, fish, paneer, eggs, milk. All these are obtained from the animal and it contains protein. So, these are the animal sources for protein. Now, in the next slide, the topic is vitamins. Here, vitamins help in protecting our body against disease. Students, pay your attention that vitamins help in protecting our body against disease. Vitamins also help in keeping our eyes, bones, teeth and gums healthy. So, vitamins are very important for our body parts in that it contains our eyes, bones, teeth and gums. These are the body parts for which the vitamins is needed, and the most important is that it helps in protecting our body against any disease. Now, in the next slide, vitamins are of different kinds and it is known by the different names. So, what are the different names for the vitamins? That is vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and K. And the group of the vitamins is called vitamin B complex. And our body needs all types of vitamins but in small quantity. So here the first is vitamin A. Vitamin A generally keeps our skin and eyes healthy. And what are the some sources of vitamin A? These are some sources of vitamin A. As you can see that it includes fruits, milk, fish oil. These are some examples of vitamin A. Now, in the next slide, here the vitamin C. Vitamin C helps body to fight against many diseases. And what are some sources for vitamin C? Here are some sources for vitamin C. The vitamin C generally include orange, tomato, guava, lemon, almond. All are the example for the sources of vitamin C. Now, the next is vitamin D. Vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for bones and teeth, which is very important for our bones and teeth. And what are some sources for vitamin D? These are some sources for vitamin D. It includes fish, egg, meat, butter and milk. These are some examples of the food item that contains vitamin D. Now, there are some homework for all of you students. The homework is very simple. You have to define the term fat, protein, vitamins, which you already saw in the previous slide. Now, here I learn the table for the test for starch, protein and fat. It is also given in the previous slide or in this slide also. And write some sources of different types of vitamins as you have just saw it. Now, student, this is enough for today, and I hope that you understand this video. Thank you so much.